Hi children, how are you all? I hope all you are fine. Children, in the previous video we discussed that worksheets related to first concept. What is that first topic here? What we discussed? Knowing our numbers. Okay, after completion of that knowing our numbers, we are having that whole numbers. Okay children, in that first topic, what we learned about that numbers we learned. Actually, we are having that some types of numbers. Okay, in the types of numbers, the first type of number is the natural numbers. Okay, after that natural numbers, we are having that whole numbers. Okay, that's why before going to that topic, first we will discuss about that natural numbers. Okay, natural numbers means counting numbers, what we are using for counting. Numbers what we are using for counting, those are known as counting numbers. Okay, then here counting numbers are known as natural numbers. Okay, see here, what about that natural numbers ma? Natural numbers. Natural numbers means counting numbers. Counting numbers are also known as natural numbers. Okay ma, this is the definition of the natural numbers. So counting numbers means what numbers we are using for counting. For example, some chocolates are there. How you will count those? By using the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 like that, right? So what numbers we are using for that counting purpose, those numbers are known as counting numbers. Those counting numbers are also known as natural numbers. Okay, now here say that 1, 2, 3 and so on are counting numbers. Are counting numbers. Okay ma. Now here the set of natural numbers denoted by a letter capital N. The set of natural numbers denoted by a letter capital N. Okay ma. See here, set of natural numbers. In that set, just write the natural numbers. This set is represented by the letter N. N represents here natural numbers. Natural number set which is equals to starting number is 1, 2, 3 and so on. Okay ma, this is about that natural numbers. In that natural numbers, what is the smallest natural number? See here. Smallest natural number means which number is that starting number, that one only consider it as the smallest natural number. Then here smallest natural number is, what is that smallest natural number here? That is 1. What is the greatest natural number? Greatest natural number. Greatest natural number is here undefined. What is the greatest number ma? Greatest number we can't say here. Just say that the set of numbers represented by the letter N. Here we can observe that 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Here we can't say that what is the greatest number. Okay, 1 lakh is, for example, for suppose 1 lakh is the greatest number. 1 lakh after numbers there are not. Yes, of course numbers are there, 1 lakh 1, 1 lakh 2 and so on up to crores. Okay, we know that place values now crores, 10 crores, after that Arabs and Caribs, those may, that's why here we have that so many place values, so many places. Okay, that's why here exactly we can't say that how many digits are there in that the last particular number. And in the same way we can't say that what is the greatest number also we can't say. That's why here the greatest natural number is undefined. Okay ma. Now here in natural numbers, every number is having that successor. And in the same way, here some numbers are having that predecessor. But one of the number is not having predecessor. Which number is not having predecessor ma? Here in natural numbers, 1 is not having predecessor. In natural numbers, 1 is not having predecessor. In natural numbers, 1 is not having predecessor. Why? Because what is the reason? Because 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. 0 does not belongs to natural number. Does not belongs to natural number. This symbol represents here does not belongs to. Does not belongs to. Okay ma? And this symbol represents that belongs to. Opposite symbols. Belongs to, does not belongs to. Okay, now here 0 is not there in natural numbers, we know that. But where is that 0? Where we can observe that 0 ma? In which type of set of numbers we can observe that 0? Here 0 is belongs to whole numbers. Here W represents that whole numbers. W represents that whole numbers. Understood ma? That's why here in that natural numbers 1 is not having predecessor. Okay, what is the predecessor of 1 means 0. 0 where we can observe? We can observe that 0 in whole numbers. Now here what about that whole numbers ma? In that whole numbers set of natural numbers are there including 0 also there. Okay, that set of numbers are known as whole numbers. Understood? Now here see that, come to that our concept. Whole numbers. What is the definition of whole numbers? The set of natural numbers including 0. The set of natural numbers and including 0. Are called whole numbers. What is the definition of that whole numbers ma? Here set of natural numbers there, along with that natural numbers 0 also there. Okay, now here the set of whole numbers, denoted by a letter, W. Okay ma? Now here W is equals to set of 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. Here what is the starting number here? Starting number is 0. Then here what is the smallest whole number? Smallest whole number is also 0. Okay, 0 after, except that 0, which type of numbers we can observe here? Except that 0, we can observe here natural numbers. Okay, 1, 2 and so on. These all numbers are natural numbers including 0. That set is called whole numbers. Understood ma? From this one here, see that. What is the smallest whole number? Smallest whole number is, what is the smallest whole number? That is 0. What is the greatest whole number? Greatest whole number is it possible to say here ma? Greatest whole number means that is related to natural numbers only, no? In natural number also I told you that what is the greatest natural number means that is undefined, I said, right? Here also greatest whole number is undefined. Okay ma? And in the same way, in whole numbers, which number is not having predecessor? In natural numbers, which number is not having predecessor? 1. In whole numbers, which number is not having predecessor? 0. Why? Because 0 before there is no any other number here in that whole numbers. If we are having that any other number in that before that is 0, then that is belongs to integers. Okay ma? Then that one not belongs to whole numbers. Now here see that in whole numbers, 0 is not having predecessor. Why? Because because 0 minus 1 is equal to minus 1. That one does not belongs to whole number. Minus 1 means those are negative integers. Okay, left side of 0 we will get that negative integers. Those all belongs to that integers. Negative numbers, those all belongs to integers. Okay, but here we are discussing about that whole numbers. That's why here 0 is not, minus 1 is not belongs to whole numbers. That's why here 0 is not having predecessor in whole numbers. Understood, ma? Now here number line of whole numbers. Whole numbers number line. Whole numbers number line. This is that number line. Number line means on that straight line represent that numbers on a straight line. See that. This is 0, starting number is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and so on. Okay ma, this is that whole numbers number line. Now here see that this is the left side of a number line and this is the right side of a number line. Okay ma, just observe that the numbers moving from left side to right side, then the number value is in increasing order. Yes or no, say that. When you compare that 0 and 1, which one is greater? 1 is greater. Compare that 1 and 2, which one is greater? 2 is greater. 2 and 3, which one is greater? 3. While comparing 3 and 4, which one is greater? 4. 4 and 5, 5 is greater. That means here say that 1 is less than, 2 is less than, 3 is less than, 4 is less than 5. In reverse order, 5 is greater than, 4 is greater than, 3 is greater than, 2 is greater than 1. And in the same way, 1 is greater than 0, 0 is less than 1. Understood ma? Now what we can observe here, while we are moving from left side to right side, then the number value is in increasing order. And in the same way, while you are moving from right side to left side, then the number value is in decreasing order. Understood ma? So this is about that number line of whole numbers. Now here we can perform that addition and multiplication on the number line. Okay, how to perform those two fundamental operations on a number line. Okay ma? Now here see that. Addition. Two plus 3. Just to show this one on a number line. Now here see that. This is a number line. We know that starting with a 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and so on. Okay ma? Now here how to show that 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3 means see that 0 to 2. 2 places 0 to 2. This is a plus 2. And here plus 3. Here onwards 3 places 1, 2, 3. Then here what is that answer ma? Where we are having that final arrow mark here. Where we can observe on that which number we can observe that final arrow mark, that is on 5. Yes or no? 2 plus 3 is equal to 5 only, no? On that number line also we got here 5 only. Yes or no ma? Yes. Okay. Now here another example. 2 plus 3 plus 4. 2 plus 3 plus 4. How it shows on a number line? See that. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and so on. Okay ma? Now here 2 plus 3 plus 4. See that. 2 means here from 0 onwards. Always you have to take from 0 onwards. Here 0 to 2. Okay. Plus 3. 1, 2, 3. Plus 3. This is for that plus 2, plus 3 and plus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is plus 4. Just see that 4 plus 3, 7, 7 plus 2, 9. Here also we are having that final arrow mark on 9 only, no? So this is the representation of addition. Okay ma. Next we can perform that multiplication also on a number line. See that how we can show that. multiplication. On a number line, zero, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and so on. Okay ma? Now here we need to perform that 2 into 3. Show that 2 threes on a number line. 2 threes means, see that 2 threes, 2 into 3. 2 into 3 means what is the meaning ma? How we can read? 2 threes. 2 times of 3, which means here 3 plus 3. 3, 3. Okay ma? See that into 3 into 3. 2 times of 3 is equal to 6. Am I clear to you? 2, 3, 6 only, no? That's it. And in the same way, another example. 2 into 5. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and so on. Why? Because arrow marks there, no? That's why and so on. Now here see that mom, see 2 into 5. 2 into 5 meaning is 2 fives, 2 times of 5. Okay, then here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 0 to 5. After that 5 again 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then you will get here. Into 5, into 5. This is into 3, into 3. Now here what is the final answer ma here? Final answer we got it as 10 only, no? 2 5s 10. Yes or no? Yes, this is the representation 2 5s. And one more thing, what is the difference between 2 5s and 5 2s? Okay, see here, this is 2 into 5. I will show you that 5 into 2. See here. 5 into 2. What is the difference? How we can show it on a number line? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and so on. Children, we know that both sides also we will get that same answer only. 5 2s 10, 2 5s 10. But there is a difference in that representation on a number line. Now here see that 5 2s, 5 2s. 5 2s means 2 is there 5 times there. 2 5 times there. Okay, then here how to represent that on a number line? See that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Final answer is same only, but the representation is different. Here this is 2 times of 5 and this is 5 times of 2. That is the meaning. Understood ma? This is multiplied by 2. 5 2s. But the answer is same only. Final answer is 10 only. But the difference is here, this is a 5 2s and this is 2 5s. Understood ma? In that multiplication we can observe this one. And in the same way, addition means you know that if you change the order then also you will get the same answer only. Okay ma? Now here this is about that operations performed on a number line. Okay, and in the same way division means again just like that subtraction only going backward from down, which means here we can show that, but that is not required here. Understood ma? By taking the numbers from downwards then we can show that subtraction and in the same way division also. Why? Because addition multiplication same only, no? Why? Because repeated addition is also known as multiplication and in the same way repeated subtraction is also known as division. Understood ma? That's it. So this is about that number line of whole numbers and operations show on that number line. Understood ma? So up to here we learned in this video. No? In that next video we will discuss about that. We are having some properties of whole numbers. Okay, whole numbers also having that some properties. What are those properties? We will discuss in that next video. Okay, thank you all.